What's the meaning of Consumer Reports? Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports.
Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports refers to a non-profit organization that provides unbiased product testing and reviews for consumers. It aims to help consumers make informed decisions when purchasing products, ranging from electronics to home appliances. The organization conducts extensive testing and research to evaluate the quality, safety, and performance of different products, then publishes the results in their magazine and online. These reports often include ratings, comparisons, and buying guides to assist consumers in making the best purchasing decisions possible. Overall, Consumer Reports serves as a valuable resource for those seeking to make informed choices about their purchases.